Popular dancehall entertainer Felicia Gooden, who goes by the stage name Lisa Hyper, arrested at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston, Jamaica. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
The airport or come with the police.
I know that you should have put your hand for me get for book you.
I'm not gonna find it. There are other things to go and do.
And there's other things, so me have the power there too. Me have the power there too. Me have the power there too.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Dancehall entertainer Lisa Hyper was taken into custody by the police over an alleged assault. The incident happened at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston, Jamaica, and reportedly involved an employee. During the incident, she reportedly used abusive language at airport workers and the police. The artist, who has been on a charade on social media, recorded the interaction with authorities at the airport on TikTok Live.
Yeah, it a tape Gaza no rape, but Gaza. It a tape Gaza no rape, but Gaza. It a tape Gaza, but Gaza. You want me bring on down? Test me. You want me bring on down? Test me. Tell you no don't test me. And me have him belly bottom. And me have him belly bottom. You no don't test me and we talk things where we send him back a bad prison. Don't test me. You hear me? I want to know. Alright.
Good night, madam.
Good night, sir.
Constable Boaz is the name from Norman.
Boaz from where? Hold on.
Norman, the police station. Alright, so I'm aware that you don't have a ticket.
So where you carry me? You carry me at the police station?
No, I'm not taking you in the police station.
Where you want me for do?
Under the airport regulation act, it's an arrestable offense for you to be here.
Oh, so what me have to do? Come out of the airport?
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. What you say your name again? What you say your name again?
I would have already informed you, madam.
I want to hear back your name. What you say? I not come out till you give me your name.
And if I see this on any
Shut up
social
your
media
mouth.
platform,
Shut up your mouth. You
I'll
can't
definitely be pressing charge.
Press charge and me a press back charge for you. Make me see it good. I better you lock me up here. Oh. It done the life already. You done the on social media. You can't show me. One way you go. A superintendent live right across from me. Oh.
May I see your passport, please?
See who for passport. I'm this year, man.
Ma'am, may I see your passport?
See who for passport. I'm this year. Oh. Who for passport you want to see? You don't know who me is already. Big idiot police boy. You don't know who me is already. Ugly like. But you want to see passport. So fix it. My head gone for real. I the baddest life. I don't want nobody ramp with me right now. But my head gone for real. So I know so not done, you know. You want to carry my shoes then? You want to carry my shoes? Or you want passport? Other that lock me up. Go video no mama. Go video no suck mama.
Alright, this.
Miss what? Go video no cocky mama. Monkey. 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 Go video monkey and we both. Big idiot.
Mister, I'm gonna charge, right?
Charge me.
Can you take a suitcase, please?
Who you gonna mash up, miss? Who you going to mash up? Who you gonna mash up? That me I ask you. Who you gonna mash up? Who you gonna mash up? Who you gonna mash up?
Can I take a biscuit?
I want to know. Boy, think me like you know. Una corruption. Demon, no.
Hello, miss. Hello, miss.
I know my rights, you know. At Queen's High School, me used to go. Yeah. Queen's High School, me used to go. Don't talk to me. What do you want to follow back? Oh, what do you want to follow back at me for?
Leave the airport or come with the police.
I know that you should have put you should have put your hand for me get for buck you.
I'm not going to find it. There are other things to go and do.
And there's other things, so me have the power there too. Me have the power there too. Me have the power there too.
Stop them, miss.
Don't talk to me.
No, you should come out the airport. You understand?
Miss, excuse
Come here, sir.
Please, excuse. Somebody's calling.
Come here, sir.
Documents. Again, pass.
Yeah, JB. Yeah, JB, well gone.
Miss, go on from beside me, no man. Go on, no man. Give me some space, man. This I make history. A history me I make, boy. Yeah. You want my shoes to eat? You want that clock for yam?
I have 100 of them.
I'm going to tell you this, charge or not. You see whosoever send you no?
No.
You see whosoever send you no? Nah, get back my pussy. Chase from Stony Hill, where PNP, nah, get back my pussy. Cartel, nah, get back my pussy. At that part, I want to go ride that.
Everything you say will be taken down in writing and used against you.
Use against me in court. Use against me in court. Oh, I'm to that big idiot police boy. Yeah.
Thank you.
I want to that big idiot. So where you walk? Go on now where you walk beside me for.
I'm going to charge you.
Put the handcuff on me then now.
No, you can't charge her. No.
Put the handcuff on me then.
No, at least at this. No.
Hold them here for me.
Go, that's what you said.
Wait for Andy.
No,
Hold them here for me.
go, that's what you said. Go forward. No,
See that?
Go live. Go live. This
Yeah, man, if your husband come with us.
Remember everything you say?
You know what nights and days when the boss beat me through me want to go hey, you think I'm afraid to call the things them? From that I put out me one father ex-girl they are very lick me get. Hey, hey boy, take up my clothes, you know. I'm gonna mash up my things, you know. Don't touch my head, boy, don't touch my head. You now have my hand, you now hold my hand already.
please go.
Listen, for your ear, dirty police, boy.
Hello.
So them have me a car, they gonna carry me go lock me up. Load my phone, you buy my phone? You buy my phone?
Give me the
You
phone.
buy my phone? You buy my phone?
Look,
You buy my phone?
give me the phone.
Me ask you if you buy my phone.
Put the phone in the bag.
Won't not carry me go.
Run us, run us, run.
Won't not carry me go. No. Shut up. I you shut up. Think me done with him? Tell Cartel say me done with him to know what them do tonight. Now make me dey back with none of them. Oh. See the bag them there, so I'm going to come out with the bag them in my lap.
It's not immediately clear up to the publication of this report whether or not formal charges were laid against Lisa Hyper. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to comment this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.